Standing at the edge of this 2.14 acre parcel, I'm right on B Avenue. The corner is backed by that yellow sign you see. That's the northeast corner. The northwest corner is straight ahead here, right across from where you see the 18th Street sign. And then this parcel goes all the way over to C Avenue, and there's breathtaking mountain views from every part of this lot. As the trees are removed and it's developed down the line, every single parcel will have a mountain view from Jefferson all the way to Broken Top, and even Bachelor you can see through there. In the next 3 years, maybe 4, a sewer line will be brought right up this street into the middle of the commercial district of Terrebonne. And so this will have sewer. It already has community water out in the street, power right at the street, and long term, it's going to have Redmond sewer. So the potential for this to be divided up into 9 buildable lots or thereabouts is amazing. And that won't be for a while that you have that ability, because you need the sewer from the Redmond improvement project that they're putting in, all the new sewer treatment in between Redmond and Terrebonne, and this is all going to be connected right to this parcel. And this parcel sits between 2 streets, so you have really excellent access from both sides. You could just put a street right through the middle and have lots above and below, all good size. Beautiful parcel though. There's trees in the way right now, but you can see as this gets cleared out, the views are going to be spectacular. It's mostly level, but it does kind of have a slight grade to it, so which is nice for preserving that view for each of the homes above and below. Really a cool parcel. It'd be neat to build one home on it, but the real value is in being able to put multiple homes on this property. The TER zoning is really beneficial for a lot of different uses. And this is C Avenue on the side. So you have Terrebonne water on both B and C. There's an irrigation canal that goes along the entirety of the eastern boundary. Just before that fence you see up there is where this property ends. Goes down to about where that boat is below. Bunch of quail on here. This is the eastern boundary up against this canal. And those mountains Again, some trees would need to be cleared, but the views throughout here are just unbeatable. So very buildable, gently sloped, pretty nice soil too. And when I say the property line goes back to this canal, do verify the exact location of the boundaries. But it's right about in this area. And there's B Avenue straight ahead C Avenue straight ahead where I started the video. So again, bound by C Avenue on the north, B Avenue on the south. That block foundation is part of the property. Walking right through the heart of it now in the middle. Really gently sloped. Possibilities here are endless. An enterprising developer could get this property in 4 or 5 years, probably double their money pretty easily. There's Mount Washington straight ahead over the top of that house. So, yeah, Bachelor to Jefferson, unobstructed. Once the trees on here are cleared strategically to leave privacy while still offering up those really beautiful views. Just in conclusion, I'll get one more shot here of Mount Jefferson. Pretty awesome.